Alright, this is for giving shots to your dogs. You put the needle in there, pull it down, all the fluid comes out. Sometimes it's clear. This is a coronavirus, so that's why it's pink. Push it back up. And you have another one that's got the dry powder in there. And you combine it, shake it, wait for a few seconds. While I'm waiting on that, I'll go ahead and do another one, because we're giving 2 shots. One the Dixie and one the biscuit. Pull it down, push back up. Take the dry powder, add it, shake it. Now this is the one I shook earlier. Put the needle in there just far enough to the fluid. And pull it down. Once it gets everything out, push it up slowly until it gets to the top and starts to come out the top of the needle. Right there. Lift up the back of the neck. Right here in the back of the neck. Lift up. Stick it in there, and what you do is you pull out and make sure there's a bubble. Once you see that bubble, then it's okay to go ahead and put it in there, and then you just massage the neck to make the bump go down. All you're doing is putting it under the skin. Biscuit, Biscuit, come here. Come here, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Now we'll do hers. Take a fresh needle. These are lunar locks, so you got to turn it right to make sure that the needle's in place. Put it in there. Stop. Pull it down. And I don't think I got it in there far enough. So I'll do it again. There it goes. I got a little bit in there. Okay. Anyway, push it up so it starts to come out the top. You raise the neck area, and you're just going under the skin. Pull it out, make sure there's bubbles, and then push it back in. They're not supposed to move their head. And that's it. All done.